What is going on? Today I'll be showing you how to make a car in Brickrigs. First, if you don't know the basics, go to the editor, press F, or if you don't have a keybind like that, press whatever button you have. First, I like to use scalables, but you don't have to. Crank this up to 6. Put it up and stretch it to probably 10. Then what you want to do is grab an axle and Control C and don't just Control C. See the steering angle. You want to put this there, and then you want to grab whatever wheel you want. And sometimes I like to use this wheel. Other times I like to use not that one, this one. You can press Shift on both of these to select them, and you press Control C. Hold E to turn them around. There you have the wheels of your car. Now, this is just a basic tutorial, so I won't actually build a car, like a realistic car. So you want to put an engine. If you want passengers on your car, you can just duplicate your seat. I'll select them and and different ones. And there you go. Here's a tutorial. And press, I think my keybind is insert. I don't know if yours is insert too, to take a photo of it. Okay. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.